Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word nostril. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She could feel the cold air entering her nostril as she took a deep breath. A nostril is one of the two external openings of the nasal cavity, through which air passes in and out of the nose during breathing. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.